Okay, so I'm just going to give everyone a very brief demonstration of our renal dialysis finance data. This is exactly what the income statement data will look like. This is 2014, this particular one. It looks like there's about 5,000 income statements here, and you have all your typical income statement categories. You have revenues, contractual allowances, net revenues. It looks like we have about 13 cost centers for that particular one, about 12 cost centers for this one, about 13 for that one. Next is balance sheets. This is the same year, same renal dialysis center, so you have a bunch of different current asset categories: cash, receivables, inventory, prepaids. You have your different fixed asset categories: land, building, equipment, fixed and movable, and then other assets. And then all your standard liabilities, short and long-term liabilities, and capital accounts. So balance sheet's pretty straightforward. And then into operational metrics. Here it gets a little more sophisticated, a little more specific to renal dialysis centers. So for each center in each period, you're going to have the total treatment volumes by modality, and then you're also going to have treatment volumes for both Medicare and non-Medicare patients. So you can see here I'm highlighting the Medicare, but you have the same volumes by modality for both Medicare and non-Medicare patients. We have renal dialysis staffing, so if you go into this tab, and this is still within the operational metric module, you're going to have the total FTE counts for different types of positions. So in this particular one, they have about 2 FTE registered nurses, and they don't use a lot of contract staff. And then the final component of the operations metric module is facility square footage. So for each facility, we give you their building square footage. This is great if you're planning a new facility, you're doing a feasibility study, or just benchmarking.